Welcome back to my channel. This is Abzolutegh once again. Today we are going to make another soap, and the method I'm going to use is different from the normal ones that I've been posting on my channel. This method is called heat transfer method, and it's used for oils that are solid, or if your oils are solid, then you can use this heat transfer method for your soap. Before we continue, let's look at the ingredient that we are going to use. I will use castor oil, coconut oil, glycerin, lavender essential oil. I will also use olive oil. And the oil in the bowl is called Phytoinkuto. It's a residue of Phyto from Nestle Ghana. The residue they get from producing Phyto is what they sell to people to use to make soap. It's very good, but it's always in a solid form. I will wear my safety apparatus and then get back to you. This is my water, the quantity of water I'm going to use. I've already measured and just poured in my caustic soda. Since we are using heat transfer method, you don't have to ferment your lye solution. You mix your caustic soda with the water, you create your lye right there, and then you pour it into your butters or your oils. This is how it is done. The difference between this one and then the cold process one is that you ferment your caustic soda before you add it to your oils. But this one, you don't ferment the caustic soda, but rather you add it straight into your solid oils. So the heat from the caustic soda is the one that is used to melt the butters or the solid oils that you are going to use. So after mixing the caustic soda, I did not wait for even 3-4 minutes or 2 minutes. I poured into my butter straight away and then started stirring. So I will continue to stir until it's the caustic soda, the heat from the caustic soda melts the butters. Then I continue with it. The quantity of the ingredients will be on the screen, so you keep watching to the end so that you know the quantities and then all the ingredients that I used, and also you can also follow suit. When you are making bathing soap, it's advisable you combine oils. Coconut oil is very good for lathering, and also it makes soap hard. Olive oil gives luxurious feel, but it doesn't lather, or it does not lather much. Phytoinkuto, the one that I use, is very good for soap. It helps in lathering and also help with making the soap more solid. So any oil that you have in the house, you can combine them to make your bathing soap. Now that it has melted, not too much, but it's almost melted, I went ahead to add in my other oils. I've already measured the quantity and everything. So the formula is what I will be showing on the screen. You continue to stir and use your stick blender. If you don't have stick blender, then you have to continue stirring until the butters or your solid oils get melted. But if you have a stick blender, it can help you, speed up the process. As you can see from the ingredient I introduced, I did not add sulfonic acid. I did not add SLS. I did not add soda ash. You can make soap, especially if you are making soap with combined oils, then you don't have to, because each of the oils has its own properties that will make the soap, foam, solidify, get hard. It will help you to foam well. It will help you to feel luxurious. And also, some people are allergic to soda ash when it gets into contact with their skin. So sometimes if you use soda ash to make your bathing soap, then it makes the a person with sensitive skin can get itchy skin. So it's not always advisable to add soda ash to your bathing soap. So that's why you don't see me adding all those things, because it's meant for bathing. So to make your soap luxurious, just combine oils and you will be good to go. You have a very smooth texture and you have a very good feel when you use for your body. At this point, I'm going to use my thick blender to smoothen it. I just want to smoothen the texture. That's why I'm using stick blender. If you want to invest in soap, or if you want to go into soap business, invest in some of the little things so that it will help you come out with more commercial products. So the stick blender will help smoothen the soap. The hydrometer will help you know the concentration of the lye solution well, and also know the gravity of it. The commercial soap cutter will help you smoothen your soap, design it for you, to make it look attractive. So if you want to venture into soap business, just invest in some of these small things. And I sell hydrometer and then the commercial soap cutter. So contact the number of this on the screen if you need some. This is my glycerin. I'll just add it to it straight away. You add it and you stir. After you have finished it, you can add in your vitamin E, your glutathione, your kojic acid, any lightening ingredient at all or brightening ingredient at all you can add. Just poured in my lavender essential oil. Then you stir to make it, make sure that it is well mixed. Or if you have any organic or serums that you still want to add, you can add. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell, and also share for others to learn from the video. This is the formula I use for the soap. Before you use your soap mold you pour in, kindly use isopropyl alcohol to spray the mold first. When you spray the mold first, then you pour in your soap. If you need training on soap and if you want to grow in your soap making business, contact the number on your screen. I will help you grow the business together. My training is not just a one-time training. You call me, you will not reach me again. No. My training lasts until you are okay. It lasts until you are okay. And I will be teaching you all kinds of soap, from bathing soap, washing soap, herbal soap, carbolic soap, BF soap, and any kind of soap. And also how to make soap for profit. This one, if you make it and sell it, you won't get the profits that you are expecting to. So contact Who Knows Road to teach you how to maximize profit from your soap making business. It's very important. So I want the soap traced well. I poured it into a small cup since I'm going to use just this small soap mold. I poured it into the cup and then gradually poured it into my silicone soap mold. And after that, I sprayed it with my isopropyl alcohol to prevent any germs to get contact with the soap. So this is the final product of the soap. After making it, I left it for 7 hours. So this is 7 hours after making it, and it's already solid and I'm molding it. I did not add silicate to the soap, but the soap is hard. All thanks to the combination of the oils that I use. You can see it's very solid, very hard, but without silicate. This is a demonstration on how to make soap, bathing soap, for use. So like I said earlier, if you want it to be your business, then you have to learn the nitty-gritties in the making of the soap for commercial purpose and also to maximize profit. If you like the video, then click on the subscription button and then the notification bell, and also give your comments and also show some love by sharing it to others to also learn from the video. I'm always available to answer your questions. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned to my next video, which will be how to make animal fat to produce soap. How to make the animal fat. Then the next video will be to produce soap. Thank you.